बधाई हो, फनवा हुआ है। और देवा, ओ 1 2 3 4 5 6, हियर इज द टी। रिमेंबर बचपन में वो आते थे मेक शिफ्ट प्रोजेक्टर, कैन यू सी? सॉरी, एनीवे दैट वाज the gift that OnePlus has given along with this very special package. Hello friends, OnePlus phone unbox kar lo. I'm Ankit Vengurlekar and you're watching the unboxing of the brand new Vitara which has the OnePlus 6T. It's 29th of October, a day prior to the global launch of the OnePlus 6T. 4 महीने भी नहीं हुए हैं. It's barely been 4 months since the launch of this baby, the OnePlus 6. And चैन नहीं है ना OnePlus वालों को, because obviously ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा phones बेचने हैं, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा customers के पैसे हथियाने हैं. Yes, so a lot of people might be upset that, oh my god, just 4 months ago I bought a brand new OnePlus 6, or a couple of months ago, a couple of weeks ago, a couple of days ago, and already my phone is going to appear and seem like it's obsolete. Okay, here goes. Nice color scheme everywhere. This is the OnePlus 6T, black paper bag with red nice ribbon handles. I don't know why I'm getting into that kind of detail. The point is, this is not the retail box. This is super privileged people logon ka box. People logon ka box. This is the media box. And so what does the media box have? Ta-da-da! OnePlus 6T media review preview kit. आइए देखते हैं इसमें क्या क्या है. This kit consists of the following: OnePlus 6T, OnePlus protective cases, bumpers, Type-C bullets. OnePlus Type-C bullets are the earphones that OnePlus makes. This, may I remind you, is not the retail box. OnePlus Type-C bullets नहीं आने वाले हैं. OnePlus बहुत ही चिंदी कंपनी है. Why am I saying they are stingy? Because since the first generation of OnePlus phones, which are, may I add, good phones, since the first generation, they've been disappointing us by not bundling or providing earphones of any kind or nature in the box. Who does that? Seriously. कितने पैसे बचा रहे हो OnePlus? Dear reader, it's a letter by Never Settle OnePlus. The amount of paper that has been wasted in the reviewer's guide. We had a single mission with our latest device to share the best tech.
5 hours later.
The overall user experience, which aims to be burdenless and both feel like
1 eternity later.
Meet the OnePlus 6T. Prepare to unlock the speed. The only thing that matters in this entire baksa of needless, pointless paper, the OnePlus 6T. Let's keep this aside. Arey wah, kaam ki cheez. Accessories. Okay. Butterfingers, butterfingers, butterfingers. Tongue. ये घंटी क्या है? Oh. Suction mount sticks to this articulating stand, so it goes here, and your phone or anything else can be stuck to car dashboard. The only thing that matters, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, the OnePlus 6T comes only in 2 colors: mirror black and matte black. Look at that, will you? Right out of the box. Boy, oh boy. This is gorgeous. Oh my god. This is the mirror black. Oh, I hate the fingerprints already. It has fingerprints and I've just unboxed it. Pay attention. OnePlus 6 in my right hand with a notch. OnePlus 6T in my left hand with a water drop or teardrop notchlet, let's call it, because it's like a really tiny notch. This looks gorgeous. This looks outdated. It's only 4 months old. Don't want to look at you anymore, ugly. The big deal, the big headlines here is the fact that this is the first ever OnePlus with an in-display fingerprint sensor. That's right. There is no biometric sensor on the rear of the phone, just like there has been in all other OnePlus phones. But here, it's right here. Okay. Oh, nice. I like the haptic feedback that it provides when you're giving your angutha chap. Okay, about 7-8 times I had to register the input. Continue to adjust the position. Okay, there was a warning after the 7-8 times. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 times I had to register my fingers to get the fingerprint added. I'm going to add another one next year, just to say one time. There are brand new screen off gestures. Okay, it orients you on that. Screen calibration gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 color settings. Default, sRGB, DCI-P3 adaptive mode and custom color. Here's the moment of truth. Let's see if that fingerprint works. Okay. Let's see if that fingerprint works. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the brand new OnePlus 6T. Looks absolutely stunning. Here's a quick run through of the specifications. It's now got a 6.4-inch gorgeous looking AMOLED display. The pixel density and the resolution is flashing on the screen as you watch this. There is a slight bump up in the weight. It's, I think, at 185 grams now compared to the 170 grams weight of the OnePlus 6. Feels really nice and premium. This is the mirror black finish that I have. As you can see, it's reflecting all the lights here in the studio, really nice and bright. Now within the box, let's put the phone aside for a second. Within the box, what you also have is more paper. Not so eco-friendly OnePlus. Okay, a word from Pete, OnePlus CEO. Okay, a slight unveil. I'm not sure if that makes it to the actual phones, but it's definitely here. 5 years old and a million stories told. Created by you, with you, for you. Aww. Interesting. I thought they'd stopped calling this dash charge. Oh, that was only in Europe where there's a lawsuit against them using the word dash charge because somebody else already owns the copyright to use the word dash. Okay, anyway, the dash charge, according to me, the best feature of the OnePlus. Gives you a full day's battery, close to 75-80% of the battery charge in just 30 minutes of charging. The gorgeous red USB-C type cable compatible with dash charging adapter, trademark of OnePlus phones. Oh, and we have something. Hey Google, you might want to check this out. Apple. Actually, Google packs it in. Apple, come here. Woo, look at this. The $8 dongle that you sell the most sold accessory on all Apple stores. What is this? It's a USB-C to a 3.5 mm adapter. This dongle is fugly but very essential because OnePlus 6T is the first ever phone to come without a headphone jack, which means this goes yahan par. Wired earphones go right in here, which means you have a new device which looks gorgeous but has this little tail dangling out of it. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 dual lens cameras on the rear, which have a resolution of 16 megapixel f1.7 aperture. There's electronic image stabilization, no OIS. There's no information on weather resistance, just like the OnePlus 6. It will handle some splash here and there, but there's no IP67 or IP68 certification. You can shoot 4K videos at a resolution of 30 FPS or 60 frames per second, which is really cool. The cameras are the same. They of course get a lot more software add-ons. The HDR mode is there. There's a brand new night shot mode, which I think will come as a software upgrade in days to come. The portrait pictures are really stunning to look at least from the booklet in the media reviewer's guide. The front camera remains the same as well, 16 megapixel. It's an f2.0 camera and there's portrait mode on both rear and the front. All right, the big headlines, just to wrap it up. In-display fingerprint sensor, which sometimes takes some time to unlock. There is also face unlock, just like the previous gen OnePlus 6. There is an almost edge-to-edge display here. Corning Gorilla Glass 6 takes care of the durability, and this water drop notch is definitely such a beautiful design implementation compared to the OnePlus 6. It just leaves me with one simple question. What if they just didn't launch the OnePlus 6? I mean, seriously. What if they didn't launch this phone 4 months ago and directly just came with the OnePlus 6T as the OnePlus 6. Let me know what you thought of the brand new OnePlus 6T in this really beautiful paper and cardboard display of affection from OnePlus team. And in case you feel like throwing some paper at me, here's some at you first. Go and subscribe very quickly if you guys haven't already to a Tech2 channel, and stay tuned for the full detailed review of the OnePlus 6T.